Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia in day 96 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. Today, we are going to be doing exercise 145 on exercises for flexibility.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
So, exercise 145 is super weird. It begins with a quarter note. And then it goes to 16th notes, but in very odd formation. Okay, first we go to the fourth. So we start on that C, dum, then da 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 dum, then da 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 dum, then da 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 dum. Now we go to the fourth above the octave. Da 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 da. Then we have that like diminished ending. So this is like about one of the craziest fast exercises that I've encountered. It's just like, I've never seen this in music. I would love to know if anybody else has seen something this crazy in music, because I really haven't. But I'm not saying that it's probably in one of these rare bel canto operas that I have never heard about, or something in Handel that I have no idea about. So maybe it is. But it is nonetheless very good practice for us in working our minds and working our voices. And here is exercise 145. So what were the tricky parts about that? I'm not sure I want to take that much faster just yet. Coming down, so it actually wasn't so bad going up, but then coming down, da 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 da, because we had this kind of like jumps and then 4 notes down, so it was a little bit different of a pattern, but it wasn't so bad. I also feel like I'm trying purposely to not land so strongly in my chest voice down at the bottom. It's still there, but I'm trying not to barrel into it, and I think that that will be helpful for you guys as well.